Have you ever felt like someone dislikes you for no clear reason? You smile, you're polite, yet there's a coldness in their response. Why does this happen? Why do some people secretly harbor negative feelings toward you? In today's video, we'll uncover 9 surprising reasons why people might secretly hate you, and what you can do about it. Reason 1: Envy and jealousy. Envy and jealousy are powerful emotions. When people see qualities or success in you that they desire but feel they can't achieve, it creates resentment. Instead of celebrating your wins, they see your success as a reflection of their own shortcomings. The result? Gossip, sabotage, or outright hostility. Reason 2: Misunderstandings. Small misunderstandings can snowball into lasting resentment. A misplaced word, a misunderstood tone, or even an unintended facial expression can create negative impressions. Clear communication is the key to avoiding unnecessary conflict. Reason 3: Clashing values. Differences in fundamental beliefs, whether political, religious, or lifestyle-related, can create tension. When someone feels their values are challenged, they may see you as a threat, even if you've done nothing wrong. Reason 4: Gossip and rumors. Gossip spreads like wildfire. Once false or exaggerated stories circulate, they create a distorted image of you. Even if untrue, rumors can lead others to form negative opinions before they've even met you. Reason 5: Personal insecurities and projection. Some people project their insecurities onto others. If they're unhappy with their own lives, they may resent you for appearing confident or accomplished. Remember, their struggle is not your fault. Reason 6: Lack of empathy. Without empathy, misunderstandings and judgments flourish. When people fail to see things from your perspective, they might misinterpret your actions as offensive or rude, fueling unnecessary hostility. Reason 7: Competition and rivalry. Healthy competition can inspire growth, but when rivalry becomes toxic, it leads to resentment. In their desire to outshine you, they might root for your failure rather than their own success. Reason 8: Unspoken boundaries. Not respecting personal or social boundaries can make others uncomfortable. They might dislike you without explaining why, often because they feel you've crossed an invisible line. Reason 9: Preconceived notions. First impressions aren't always accurate, but they stick. If someone has preconceived notions about you, based on your appearance, background, or reputation, they might form a negative opinion before giving you a chance. Remember, people's negative feelings often have more to do with them than with you. Focus on self-awareness and clear communication, and don't let others' perceptions define your worth. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights like this. Thank you for watching.